Hello students. Now in the category of tenses through the online classes, next I will carry on with the uses of past continuous. As you understood by the past continuous format of the sentences and the four types of the sentences, you understood the differences between present continuous as well as past continuous. And I gave you one gap filling also. Some students has attempted, but most of the students required to attempt, because through this only you will understand what is the past continuous by the exercise, by the practice only. So let's start uses of past continuous. As past continuous is talking about an action which is started in the past, okay, and that's in a progressive way, that was known as the past continuous. In the first usage, an action is in the past which overlaps another action. An action in the past which overlaps another action, that means overlapping of one to another action. Like, I was singing in the park when my friend struck me. In this, one more example is here. An action in the past which overlaps another action. Like, she was jogging in the park when she met her friend. This is the overlapping action. Now second, second is the very important, to express the background of any story or any play. Background, like the birds were singing, the sun was shining in the sky, and the people started to gather near about the bank of the river, and they sat there to start yoga. So this is background of the any story. Now here I have written, the sun was shining and the birds were chirping. John sat down near a cottage. This is the background of a story or any play. Next, any past temporary habits or habits which was occurred or which was happened most often in the past. In this we are using always, often, forever, like this. So by this using, he was always leaving the running tap, the tap running. He was always leaving the tap running. This is the example of habits. Second, she was always complaining to the class teacher. Some students are having the habit to complain against any students. So that is the habits. And it may be possible temporary habit. When it's a temporary habit, then you will use another word, not always. Next, fourth part, to emphasize that something lasted for a while. Emphasize, to emphasize any work, any action which has lasted so many, too prolonged time. Like, I was reading all the evening. He was working in the field all day. So this is the example of emphasize action which happens most often. Okay, so this is the uses of past continuous. Now let's come to the homework. This is your homework. Frame 5 sentences of each part of the uses of past continuous, and you will do it.